barber and he got the barber yesterday, you know. And he said, I'm going to bring him back to the barber. In order because no one said, we have break rule. I bring him back to the barber. And come back now from the barber, they must say, look, the man here, eye. Eh? What more than that? What more than that they need to take off? Give me back the money, we not wait for the back. Give me back the money, we not wait for the back. Give me back the money, we not wait for the back to get back the money neither. So, listen up, Jonas. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. Guys, under the first and the second, me a police, me a this with how much degree. You hear me say? So I'm many of them pass through my hand. So I don't know what I'm going to tell me this garbage. Do you think you can live in my house and operate this kind of way?